Hi, I'm Tom with Marina Yacht Sales. Today we're going to take a tour of the beautiful 390 motor yacht near sea. It's the Sea Ray 2005. The aft deck is at the same level as the helm station, which makes it very nice so that the skipper can still be part of the group when everyone's out cruising. It's all one level. The helm offers great visibility. Companion seat next to you. Full electronics, autopilot, radar, GPS plotter, everything you need to safely and efficiently operate this vessel. The back deck has wraparound seating here, a wet bar, ice maker, air conditioning up in the bridge. And then we can descend down the stairway with steps that are integrated into the swim platform. Makes it very safe. Handles all the way down, stainless steel, so that you can access the swim step. And the dinghy, which is on davits, makes it very easy. And down below, enter the main cabin. Very spacious walkway. Steps are easy to negotiate. And a very sumptuous salon. Again, wraparound all leather sofas on either side. Great visibility. All these windows open up. You have a light up this way. So there's very, very good light and ventilation throughout the cabin. Step down into the galley, which includes full-size refrigerator, freezer, microwave oven, 2-burner stove, and plenty of storage. Forward we have the guest stateroom with 2 separate bunks. Includes a television with DVD player. And the guest head, which includes a full walk-in separate stall shower. And one nice thing about this boat is it also includes its own washer and dryer, which are underneath the step as you move up into the salon. A wonderful owner's stateroom. Plenty of storage. Again, very light, large hatch aft there that opens up, ports on either side, gives it great ventilation. On the foredeck here we have a beautiful sun pad that goes across the entire foredeck. Plenty of room for several people to lie out and enjoy the sunshine. It's always covered, so there's no sun damage to any of it. Forward we've got a nice spotlight up forward, remote control from the helm. Electric windlass, adequate ground tackle, a stainless steel bow roller, and big deep lockers for all of your anchor, chain, and rode. Alright, Merci has the upgraded Cummins diesels. Very low hours, they've always been professionally maintained. The boat has a generator, air conditioning and heat throughout, and it's just a beautiful boat looking for a new owner. We'd love to show it to you. If you want to come down personally, please call us. And I'll get you on board. Thank you.